Hello knowledgeable people, please help me. I'm going absolutely insane. I've got a vacuum leak somewhere. I've got 2263 boost deviation. I've got no power uphill. Injector's done, fuel filter done, blah, blah. I've got a leak in the vacuum somewhere, definitely. I've been testing it with this kit. It just dissipates instantly. What we've got is a brand new transducer there. Please confirm me this is done correctly. So this first one comes from the distributor. The second one goes to the back of the actuator, and then this one is the pipe that goes back to the air filter, which is currently not connected, right? Air filter, actuator, distributor. Is that correct? Got the same thing over here. Brand new transducer. So we've got this one that comes back to the distributor. This second one comes to the actuator, and then that third one, and this is a brand new one. This comes back and it goes to the air filter. So what currently happens is I'm still getting a leak. If I close off this one going to the air filter, and then I close off the other one, which is normally there coming to the air filter, if I clamp them off, it holds pressure. When I release, the pressure goes instantly. When I switch the van on and pump pressure in, it just disappears instantly. I don't know what to do. This is currently, so this is what I'm looking at the moment. This is what is leaking. I mean, should the air be coming out of the air filter? I mean, it should, right? But then how does the vacuum hold if the air is getting out? I don't quite understand how this works. What I'm thinking of currently doing is, because this is brand new, this filter, I'm wondering if the air is escaping out of this, because I've just plugged this on. I've not used glue or anything, or sealant or anything, and ditto here on the new pipe. I've not used anything to connect these two, because if I take this out, this thing here, the pressure holds. So surely this is a problem here, right?